Welcome to the Pomerol Partners Client Repricing application. This application was developed in conjunction with the FX division of a global investment bank to address a lack of transparency over 350 price plans being implemented in 4 geographic regions. With complex pricing data being stored in numerous disparate systems, visibility across the global FX function was impossible, and this was having a big impact on the ability to identify profitable and non-profitable pricing decisions. Built on a platform that merges the bank's global FX transactions, Pomerol has developed a 5-click solution that allows instant visibility over a client's historical transactions and pricing. Within a few clicks, an FX sales rep can then seamlessly apply alternative pricing scenarios and gauge the effect this will have on revenue. This dynamic tool has had a significant impact on the business, driving a 10% increase in revenues from immediate repricing and slashing the cost of time-intensive analytics by 25%. So let's jump into the application and see how it works. With an intuitive user interface, our pages and key date selections are along the top and hierarchical selections within pop-outs on the left margin. We can isolate London as our market and then select a time period for analysis. The selection of October will drive our KPIs and filter the entire data set for that particular month, while the prior calendar selection drives our delta changes for the month-on-month comparison. At this point, the 4 KPIs offer a high-level overview of the London desk. We have trade volume and the associated notional value, and then client revenue and a split of gainers and fallers for the selected time period. The associative nature of Qlik allows us to seamlessly move from a high-level perspective down to an individual client and a selected currency or product. Likewise, we could approach the dataset from a user perspective and filter the dataset for a particular sales rep. The table below offers a detailed breakdown by client, which we can rank by any of the displayed dimensions. Ranking by notional, we can see revenue for the client, mailboxes, etc. is down 26%. The sales rep for this account knows that mailboxes, etc. has been pushing for a lower spread on their high volume trades, and that action must be taken to reverse the decline in revenue on this account. The sales rep has considered offering the client a flat rate of 6 basis points, but this is not an overly appealing discount, and when simulated, we can see that this will have a negative impact on revenue. A more appealing option is to move the client to our high volume platinum plan. This will satisfy the client's demand for a significant discount on high volume trades, while still having a positive impact on revenue. We can see the net effect of this new price plan on each notional bucket, and by clearing the calendar, we can see that the impact of this over 2014 would have been worth $1,900 or a 12% increase in revenue. Another way to identify potential targets for repricing is by representing all client positions visually. We are especially interested in these larger clients to the left of the trend line that are generating a revenue number lower than target based on notional volume. Super 8 Motel has also pushed for discounted high volume trades. The sales rep needs to find a way to satisfy the client while producing a positive outcome for the bank. The client has also said they are interested in being put on a flat rate for consistency, but don't want to pay higher than 7 basis points. We can quickly simulate the effect of this situation, and based on their historical trade data, we can see that while we would take a hit of 2.6% based on April's volume, across the year as a whole, this is a successful pricing move by the bank, and we would be up 7.9% on this account. Qlik's associative functionality enables account managers to explore their data, understand their markets, and tailor their pitch on a client-by-client basis for maximum profitability. With the ability to instantly simulate alternative pricing scenarios, account managers can tackle pricing negotiations with an unprecedented level of agility and full confidence in their data. So that's client repricing for the financial services industry by Pomerol Partners. For more information or to request an on-site demo, click through the provided link to our website or head direct to the Qlik Market where you can test drive and interact with this application for yourself.